2 of the YardMax dog fence installation. We laid the wires around the house. Today we'll try to finish the whole fence installation. I have a wire attached to the drill. Only adults can use these type of power tools. Do you think I'll do this alone? I'll call my mommy. Mommy! Can I do this alone?
Now that we twisted our wire with our drill, we're gonna send this to the transmitter in our basement. This is not for kids, so make sure you ask a grown-up.
Like my sister Nora said, we're gonna feed the twisted electric wires into the basement. They're going to the surge protector. From the surge protector, they're going into the transmitter. These 2 green lights mean they're working. Caution! Kids cannot touch these electric objects. Grown-ups can do so and fix and do these type of jobs. And we put some flags to show where the wire is. The system is running, and my sister Nora is going to test the rechargeable dog collar.
It's making a sound.
Thanks for watching. This is the end of the PetSmart
YardMax
dog fence installation.